Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use the Dice script that is available in my Teachers Pay Teacher store. The first thing you want to do is set up your game board. You can see that I have my For Sure game all ready to go with the background, the game board in the background, and the various pieces. Now, when you do this, this word dice will not be here. That is what the script is going to add. So once you have your game ready to go, you're going to open the Word document that you downloaded from Teachers Pay Teachers. And for Google Slides, you're going to go to page number 5. There's also a page for Google Docs. But you want to copy everything from the very first function to the last bracket on that page. So I'm going to copy it by using Control C. I'm going to come back to my game. Then I'm going to click on Tools and Script Editor. I want to take everything that's there now and just simply delete it and then paste in from the Word document. I then want to save. You'll be prompted to give your file a name. I called mine Dice. After you've saved, you can close this tab. Now, Dice still will not automatically appear here. You need to come and you need to click Reload. Once you've clicked Reload, give it a few seconds to think, and Dice will show up. You are now ready to play. There's nothing left to do. The first student can click Dice, roll to 4. Okay, that student takes their turn, moves. Student 2, dice, roll dice. You roll to 1. That student can take their turn, and so on until you have finished your game and you are ready to go. I hope that helps you to better use the script, and I hope you have a lot of fun with the various games that you make.